dear learners. Uh, in our previous lecture, we have uh, we have already seen the information about the rasgulla, how to prepare rasgulla, and the next product, that is the sandesh. So, which is also best, uh, which is also prepared by using the channa. So all these three products, that is the rasgulla, sandesh, and kalakans, are prepared by using channa. So in this lecture, we are going to see in detail how to prepare the sandesh by using channa. As I told you earlier, sandesh is channa-based sweet delicacy. It means the sandesh is prepared by using channa, and you know very well how to prepare the channa. And sandesh is the eastern parts of India product, mainly West Bengal. It means mainly sandesh is prepared in the state of West Bengal and eastern part of India. Preferably for the preparation of sandesh, cow milk channa is used. And why the cow milk channa is used? Because the cow milk channa is generally has soft body and smooth texture with fine uniform grains. Due to this body and texture only, generally cow milk channa is preferably used for the preparation of sandesh. Buffalo milk channa is also used for the preparation of channa, but buffalo milk channa generally has hard body and coarse texture. For the preparation of sandesh, generally citric acid channa is generally used or it is prepared. It means for the preparation of sandesh, the channa which is prepared by using the citric acid, only that kind of the channa is used for the preparation of sandesh. And as a sweetener in sandesh, sugarcane jaggery, date jaggery, palm jaggery, or you may say nolan gold, or the cane sugar may be used as a sweetener. Sweetener again, and the next point is the flavor. If the flavor is added, flavor is the depends on the manufacturer or depend on us whether we have to add the flavor or not. If we are adding the flavor to sandesh, in that case jackfruit flavor or orange flavor or the rose flavor generally used. So this is about the sandesh. You may understood now what do you mean by the sandesh. Sandesh is nothing but it is the channa based sweet delicacy, and this product is generally originated from eastern parts of India and mainly it is prepared in the West Bengal. For the preparation of sandesh, generally the cow milk channa is preferred. And why it is preferred? Because cow milk channa generally has the soft body and smooth texture with fine and uniform grains. Due to these characteristics, cow milk channa is generally used for the preparation of sandesh. Whereas in some cases, in 4 cases, the buffalo milk channa is also used, but that buffalo milk channa is generally has the hard body and coarse texture. So cow milk channa is generally used for the preparation of sandesh. If we channa which is obtained by the citric acid. Only that kind of the channa is used for the preparation of sandesh. Sweeteners, sugarcane jaggery, date jaggery, palm jaggery or nollangur or the cane sugar as a sweeteners are used in the sandesh. Whereas if manufacturers are adding the flavor to this final product, that is the sandesh, in that case jackfruit flavor, orange flavor or rose flavor are used as a flavoring agent. So this is about the sandesh. And now let's see how to prepare the sandesh at home or industry. This is the flow diagram for the preparation of channa. If you want to prepare sandesh at home, for this purpose, first of all, you have to prepare the channa. After preparing the channa, just we have to take this channa into karai. We have to break this channa into bits and it should be kneaded properly. It means up to we have to knead this channa to make the smooth paste. So till up to the smooth paste, we have to knead this channa properly into karai. And then this channa is divided into two equal parts. Into this karai, granulated sugar or preferably the brown sugar is generally used. So up to 30 to 45% weight by weight of channa, sugar is added into this channa and then it is heated for 15 minutes in karai. And when up to till point it should be heated into karai. This is the main important point. When the sugar is added into this karai and it is allowed to dissolve into this channa. But when it is said that now the mixer is ready, we can say the mixer is ready when this mixer forms a small balls. Then this mixture is mixed with the remaining parts of this channa. And then again the heating is resumed for the 5 minutes. And when this heating is stopped, this is the important point, when this mixture start to form a small balls, in that case we can say that this is the final step of heating. To this point heating should be stopped and this up to this after the when the heating is stopped, the flavor is added. Flavor is the optional thing. Whether it depends on the manufacturer whether they want to add the flavor or not. As in a previous slide we have seen the different types of the flavor. So those flavors are added to this mixture at this point, and then this mixture is transferred to a tray for the cooling. Means it is kept as it is the room temperature to reduce the temperature to 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. When mixer get cold, then it is transferred to various mold or the various shapes are given to this mixer, and again it is depend on the manufacturer which shape he want to or they want to give to that final product, and it is stored at refrigerator temperature. So in this way they whatever the final product is obtained into that mold, that product is called as the sandesh. So in this way, Sandesh is prepared. For the preparation of Sandesh, these are the ingredients which are used: the channa, sugar, cardamom, and the flavor. As I told you earlier, addition of the flavor is depends on the manufacturer. It is the optional thing. Addition of cardamom is also again the optional thing. But if we add the cardamom or the flavor, so it enhances the flavor of the final product. Therefore, the cardamom and flavor is added. So if we want to prepare the channa sandesh, so we have to take the channa, and for the preparation of sandesh, if we take the channa 250 gram, in that case we have to take sugar 75 gram, a few pieces of the cardamom, and a few drops of the flavor, and the sandesh is prepared by this way, by using this flow diagram. You may also prepare the sandesh by using the same flow diagram. It's a very simple step. It's a very simple process. Just we have to break this taken channa into bits. Then it should be kneaded properly to a smooth paste, and then we have to divide two parts, or it depends on us whether we have to divide these two parts or not, or we may take whole channa for the next step. And when we take this smooth paste channa for the further process or further steps, into this steps we have to add the sugar. Preferably here the ground sugar is generally used, so we have to add the ground sugar into this smooth paste channa. Then it is heated in karai for 15 minutes, and final step is that when the small ball forms from this smooth paste channa, so in that case we can say that, so this is the final step, and after these steps we have to add the cardamom or the flavor, and then it is allowed to cool at room temperature. And when mixer cooled at room temperature, desirable shape or desirable size is given to that final product, and it is stored at a refrigerator temperature, and the final product, that is called as the sandesh. So in this way, sandesh is prepared at home and sandesh is prepared at industry. So you might have understood the preparation of sandesh at home. Very interesting product, and very nice product. Very easy to prepare at home. You may prepare sandesh at home, and when you will prepare sandesh at home, definitely each and every point you would get what is written here in this flow diagram, and that definitely it would be a very effective. It will be very easy to write the answer in the final examinations. So do practical at home, and when you do practical at home, it would be very beneficial to you to memorize the flow diagram and memorize the method of the sandesh preparation in the final examination. So this lecture helps you in both way. You are learning a new product preparation at home, and also you are doing your study at home in this COVID-19 era. So thank you very much for listening my lecture carefully.